Hi everyone and welcome back. So a lot of people have reported bad GPS accuracy on the latest Galaxy Watch 6, and that's especially while running or walking. To have better GPS accuracy, you can try out this fix. I hope it makes a little difference. Before sharing more details, don't forget to check out giveaway of this amazing design from Yosash Watch Faces. Many free coupons are available for this space. For GPS, go to Settings. Tap on Connections and scroll down. Here you will see Location. Just tap it. Now make sure Location toggle is turned on. Next tap on App Permissions and here choose Samsung Health. Now you will see this first option that says Use Precise Location. Turn off this toggle and turn it on again. Next, make sure this first option is selected. And if you want, you can reboot your watch. So that's it. Try out this and let me know in the comments if this makes any difference with GPS accuracy or not. Okay, now moving on to the watch face design. This is Yosash D340, available on Google Play Store for a discounted price. Plus many free coupons are available for this face that you can get by dropping a thumbs up and commenting down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. The design of this face is minimal and elegant. Our time is highlighted here in an analog format, while rest of the information is present here that shows our heart rate and step counter, while battery percentage is highlighted here in a dotted form. Talking about customization, you can change color combination with background. We have many color options here that you can try out with Yosash D340. I really like the always on display mode with this face. That's kinda minimal and unique. So check it out, and that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.